He says, Sarva Yudishu Kaunteya Murtaya Sambhavantiyah Tisham Brahma Mahadyunir Aham Vijapadakpita Sarva Yuni. All jivas, all living entities, my family. Shanti.
शांति
Photo session हो गया.
हो गया
हो गया. बंद कर दो. You see, now this is listening session. Kali Yoga. Kali Yoga. You know, not Kali Yoga. Kali Yoga. Now we listening yoga. Shravanadi Shuddha Chitta. So listen carefully because Shushrushuh Shradhanasya Vasudeva Katha Ruchihi Yat Mahat Sevaya Vipram Punya Tirtani Sevaya. Becoming, this is hospital. This is not only parikrama. Parikrama. Oh, Haribol. No. You have to meet with a doctor. You have to do through checkup. Then you have to take medicine. And then you have to take medicine morning, evening, one tablet. Then only ठीक हो जाएगा ना. Otherwise, people coming, touching hospital, doing parikrama and going. No doctor, no checkup, no medicine. Medicine is holy name. And everybody should take sankalpa. जो कल करे तो आज, जो आज करे तो अब. पावने प्रलय होगी, बहुरी करोगे कब. From today, sankalpa. What sankalpa? We have to cry for Krishna. Not like, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, oh, achha, Hare Krishna, no. Krishna will never come. I give example. Krishna, he says, we all children of God. Sarva Yoni Shukaunti, He Kunti Putra, Sarva Yoni. Not only Hindu Yoni, Muslim Yoni, Christian Yoni, Manav Yoni. Sarva Yoni Shukaunti. Jesus Christ said, I am the son. Krishna saying, I am the father. बाप का बेटा सिपाही का घोड़ा कुछ नहीं थोड़ा बाप का बेटा all family and we have to chant the names of God. Jesus Christ said, though glorify your name, Father, your name, not my name. Let your will be, not mine. Name of God. Harir Nama Iva Kevalam Kalau Nastiva Gatir Anyatha. In this age of Kali, there is no other way, only holy name. And Bhagavatam says, Kalau Doshuni Dhirajan Asti Iko Mahadgunan Kirtana Deva Krishnasya Mukta Sangha Paramurajit. In Kali Yuga, so many faults, dosa. Kalau Doshuni Dhirajan Mahanidhi, ocean. There's an ocean of faults. Lust, greed, anger, fighting, Ukraine, Russia, Palestine, Sector Gaza, coronavirus, diabetes, so many problems, but only one good quality. Only Asti Eko Mahadgunan, Mahagul, Kirtana Deva Krishnasya, Mukta Sangha Paramrajit. Only by chanting name of Krishna, we become free from the sufferings of Kali Yuga. But how to chant? I will give example. Remember this. When baby, sometimes you know that, Mataji say no, when husband working in the office, and then he calling my wife, hey, suno Priya, I am coming, I have only 15 minutes. Bhojan tayar karna hai. You have to prepare bhojan, my food. I am very busy, no time. I am coming home, bum, go back. I am eating food and prasadam and go back for office. No time. So mother sitting with small baby at home. And then husband called, she putting baby on the sofa and says, Babu, you play. I am going to cook for father. And she start to cook, cooking. And the baby comes and says, Mommy, I want to play with you. And mother saying, no, I'm busy. Ja. No, I'm busy. Go. And baby start to do drama. You have seen? Yeah. It's only in Ukraine? In America also, right? Yeah. Everywhere. Baby very smart. They start to do drama. But mother, she knows she's doing drama. It is not real cry. And baby, I want. But mother not coming. But when baby falling down from the chair or something, boom. Mother, by hearing only understand, oh, he's really crying now. So she leaves the kitchen and immediately comes, what happened? So similarly, when we chanting like this, Hare Krishna not come. He's busy there. But when we really cry, hey Krishna, Abba, enough is enough. It's not too much, 3 much already. Please help me. Like Draupadi, when Dushasan was pulling his Vastraharan, she was thinking, oh, my husbands will help me. Oh, Bhishma Pitamaha, oh, Kripacharya, oh, Dronacharya, oh, somebody will help me. Or maybe finally ATM card, American bank will help me. Nothing will help you. Then she thought, okay, I will help myself. I am Kshatrani, Yagyaseni, I am queen. I will help. Nothing. Then she put one hand only one hand. And by another hand, she was holding her sari. But then she understood, hopeless case, katam.com. Hopeless case. Impossible. Then she put two hands up. Hey Govinda. Then Krishna manifested like sari. And later on, Krishna will say in Mahabharata, they ask him, why did you come? Why didn't you come in beginning? And he said, well, a road was not ready. But then Draupadi, she made my road from Dwaraka by her tears. With the tears, she made the road for me. When she put two hands, she completely surrendered to me. Then I immediately manifested. Krishna doesn't want only half surrender. As a truth cannot become half truth. As a woman cannot become half pregnant. As a man cannot become half dead. Similarly, surrender cannot become half. Torah surrender, Torah not surrender. Surrender means surrender. Sir under. Sir under. You have to surrender. But we don't want. That's why we have to call out Krishna's name. Put all your hands up. Last mantra, let's chant today. Everybody put your hands up. Hare Krishna! Hare Krishna! 99%. 1% sitting there, not chanting. Everybody. Hare Krishna! Hare Krishna! Hare Krishna! Krishna Krishna! Krishna Krishna! Hare Hare! Hare Rama! Hare Rama! Hare Rama! Rama Rama! Hare Hare! Krishna Vrindavan Chandra ki! Krishna ki! Prabhupada ki! Like this we have to chant. When last moment of life we have to chant like this. Then Krishna will come, guaranteed. Otherwise money back. Hare Krishna.